December 5th. Things are going so good. Lots of sales. Oh, wait, I just got a message. Let's take a look. Hi there. I need a shirt before the 9th. If I pay extra, can I receive it by then? Oh, I can't help her out. There's no way we could get her a shirt by the 9th. It's the 5th. All right, I'll just let her know real quick and tell her it's just not possible. Oh, I just got a cha-ching. It's the same lady. Oh, wait, she's messaging me. Oh, maybe it was an accident and she didn't mean to order. The estimated delivery window is not going to get my item to me in time. I'm very disappointed. I'll be leaving a negative review. If this product is bad, I'll also be returning it. I don't care what your policies are. Excuse me? Oh, that's just fine. I got her. I'm going to get her right now. Cancel. And let me message her in all caps that I cannot get that item to her in time, and that I already previously told her that, and that the item would only arrive within the estimated delivery windows posted in the shop. Oh, she's still got something to say. Let's take a look at this. Okay, I still would like to buy the shirt. I just did not like the fact that the delivery time was so far out. What do you mean you canceled it? I never told you to cancel the order. I'm so sorry, Lisa. I didn't feel comfortable fulfilling the order after the message I received, and I realized I could not get this item to you within the delivery window you had in mind. I'm reporting your shop. Danielle!
Hi, my brother-in-law is a very big guy. He's 6'5", 350 pounds. What size shirt should I order him? Hi there. Unfortunately, I'm unable to recommend a size as everybody carries their weight differently. I do recommend that you ask your brother-in-law what size shirt he currently does wear and order that size. I'm gonna order a size 3X, and if it doesn't fit, I want a refund. Shauna!
Got an order. Woohoo! Yes. Let's check it out. Oh, 5 shirts. Nice. Can I get all of these in long sleeved sweatshirts instead of these short sleeves? If you wanted sweatshirts, you should have chosen sweatshirts, which are significantly more money in the drop-down menu. No, you cannot have sweatshirts for the price of short sleeve t-shirts. Oh, an Etsy message. Let's see. Hi, I have 28 family members I'd love to buy these shirts for. I was wondering if you could provide a bulk discount. Yes, definitely. Here, please take this discount and let's get that 28 sales.
Oh, Etsy. Let's see what it's saying here. Hi, I have 28 family members I'd love to buy shirts for. I was wondering if you could give me a bulk discount. 28 shirts. I better talk to Shauna.
Hey, good morning. How's it going?
Oh my word. You are not gonna believe this.
You got a sale.
No, but somebody wants to buy shirts, but they want a discount with it. Should I give them a discount?
Awesome. Okay, yes. Go ahead and send them a sale, like a discount code that's just a little bit higher than the sale that you're running in your shop. So if you're running like a 15% in your shop, give them a 20% sale. They can't stack the discounts. They will only be able to apply one of the discounts. You just want that discount to be a little bit better than the one they're already seeing in the shop. This is exciting. This could be your second sale. That's awesome.
Okay, I'm gonna do that right now. She wants a bunch of shirts, so this is gonna be great.
Oh, seriously? So how many shirts do they want to buy?
28. Can you believe it?
28? Is her name Christine?
How'd you know that?
She messaged me too, and I already sent her a discount code. I'm sorry.
Ordered last night, okay? They bought Christmas shirts. There's no way that they're gonna get the Christmas shirts in time for Christmas. Like, it's the 18th. There's no way. So I'm gonna be very polite and let me just message them. Hi there, I see that you ordered Christmas shirts. I just wanted to let you know that these shirts will not arrive in time for Christmas. Would you like me to go ahead and cancel your order, or do you want me to proceed with that? No, I don't want you to cancel it. I want you to proceed. I didn't ask for you to cancel it. Besides, I see you're local and I trust that you can get it to me by Christmas. Lady, I literally just said, I can't get this to you by Christmas. I trust that you're local and you'll get it to me. I just said I can't get it to you. What do you mean I'm local? I have like some random state on my Etsy shop. Besides, I'm not at home making these. Like, no, I just told you that I can't do it for you. Do you want me to cancel? No, you don't want me. Cancel. Canceled. Bye. Bye. Merry Christmas.
Woo, got a review. Let's see what it is. 1 star. I ordered this shirt thinking the long sleeved version was going to have sparkly red sleeves like it shows in the picture, but it's completely black. I'm so unbelievably disappointed. What? They think that they were going to get a shirt with red sleeves? What could they possibly be talking about? I have nothing that shows red sleeves. Really? That is a red cardigan draped over the shirt. That shirt has sold hundreds of times, and not one other person has said that they thought it was going to come with red sleeves.
Okay, read my messages. Ordered yesterday, last night. Okay, message. When is my shirt going to ship? Are these made out of the country? Why is it taking so long? Are you kidding me? You literally just bought this last night and you're already asking when it's gonna go out? Like, hello? Am I Amazon Prime?
Uh-oh, someone has a problem. Oh my goodness, I'm so very sorry. Could you please send me a picture so I can see what's going on? I will definitely get this taken care of for you immediately. What? That's not my design. It's not in my shop. That's an order she made with someone else. And this is like the 10th time I'm dealing with someone else's customer service.
Oh, look, I just got an order. Oh, it looks like it's 4 shirts, Christmas shirts. I'm so excited, but there's a note here. Let me see what she says. Hi there. I would like these. What? She wants these shirts to arrive in 2 days straight to her hotel room. Like, are you crazy? First of all, no carrier is going to drop it off directly to your hotel room, and let alone in 2 days. Like, are you kidding me?
December 22nd, we've made it. We shouldn't be having any more people ordering and asking for fast delivery. Oh, hold on a second, I have a message. I just ordered 6 shirts. Please confirm you can guarantee delivery before Christmas Eve. It's December 22nd! 22nd! Oh, a message. Maybe they want to buy something. Hi there. I just realized the estimated delivery window is not safe for us. I need to cancel this order. She doesn't have an order with me. What is she talking about? All right, hold on. Let's get this taken care of. Did the order not come through yet? Hey there, I'm so sorry. I don't actually see an order from you. Did you order from this account or perhaps as a guest? Okay, she's sending me a screenshot of what she ordered. That's not my design. That's not my listing. Looks really familiar though. Maybe I know someone with that design in their shop because that design looks really familiar. Hey there, I'm so sorry, but that is not a listing in my shop. Perhaps you ordered with a different shop and got me confused? Oh, here it comes. She ordered with, oh, I know that shop. I know that shop. Oh, hold on. I gotta warn her. Hey, Laneta.
Hey, Shauna.
So did you just have a Kim order shirts with you a few minutes ago? Maybe 15 minutes ago? 4 shirts? Yeah.
Yeah?
I'm really sorry, but she's about to cancel her order. Ask me how I know.
What? Oh, no. Come on. Shauna, why are you sending customers my way that want to cancel?
Shauna, don't be sending customers to cancel on my wife here. Come on.
All right.
We hope you enjoyed this. All of our examples are true. We really did have people try to cancel in my shop an order they made in a friend's shop. We really did have people reach out to more than one of our shops trying to make an order. And we really did have people making all these crazy requests. We have each other to bounce this stuff off with, and we're really super thankful for that. If you don't have a community like that and you need to vent some of your crazy customer Christmas stories, head down into the comments. We would love to hear from you and about the craziness that maybe you had to endure. And if yours wasn't as crazy as ours, we hope that you feel a little bit better about anything that you did wind up encountering. Wishing you such a Merry Christmas, and we'll see you soon.